see the program? Are you all ready? Are you all ready? So go to F001 location. Now let us see multiplication program. So for this multiplication program, what we are doing is, you are using two locations, F500 and F501 for storing the data. Where are you storing the data? In F500 and F501. We are storing this apart from the main memory location, because if you want to write a program, the program will remain the same. The data can be changed separately from the main program, and this program will work for any data what you are taking. Okay, this is residing apart from the main location. So now first one is initialize this with F500 using LXI instruction. Then what are you doing? Increment H. Increment H, you are incrementing the memory location. So first location, what is the first in F000, what are you entering? 21. 21 is LXI H. Next 00. Next F5. Have you entered? Now by using this instruction, you are bringing the contents. What are you doing here? You are increasing the contents of the memory location by 1. That means it will now point to F501. The second number, bring it into register C. First number is brought into register B. Second number is brought into register C. When you want to do addition, addition is always done with the contents of the accumulator. And therefore, you have to make sure that your accumulator is initially 00. So what instruction you are using for that? XRAA. What does it do? Exclusive OR with A itself. Thereby, contents of the accumulator are made 0. It is analogous to subtract A only, but no flags will be affected. Then what are you doing? 1 is there in B, 1 is there in C. Okay, A is 0. Add C. What is the opcode for add C? 81. Type 81 at which location? F007. Now you are using register B as your counter. Here if you take an example of 2 into 3, you are adding 2 3 times or 3 2 times. Depending on what you take in your counter. Here since B is used as a register, which is used as a counter, that is decremented. So if it is 3, it becomes 2, 2 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. Until it becomes 0, this loop will be going back. So jump non-zero. As long as it is not 0, this process of continuation, that is repeated addition, will continue. So in F007, type 81. Have you typed?
Yes.
Next, decrement B. 05. Jump non-zero. C2. Where is it going back to? 07 F0. This loop is continued. Once it is 0, it comes out of this, where you want to store the results of the accumulator. What is the problem given? You are asked to store the result in F502 location. So another instruction what you are using, in the previous example we have used SHLD. Now we are using STA. It is a 3 byte long instruction.